in these difficult times where we are all stuck at home and we actually can't get on planes for the moment. There's been a movement to travel the world with mince and meatballs. So we Austrians thought we join that movement, and we've looked for a recipe called the Faschierter Braten. I have to be honest and tell you all that I am an expert eater, but I am really an amateur cook. So I was asking my colleague Katrina to come and help, and I will ask her how to do it, and she will show you how to do it. So without further ado, come into our kitchen to see how we do Faschierter Braten. So Katrina, tell us, what do we need for the Faschierter Braten?
Okay, so we've got the main ingredient. We've got mince here, equal parts pork minced and beef minced. We have finely chopped onions here. Parsley, fresh is the best. Then we have knödelbrot. Then we have potatoes for the potato mash. We've got a little bit of milk for the potato mash and also the braten. We've got butter here, 1 egg, nutmeg. This is, we think it's called marjoram in English. In German it's majoran.
And do you have a wine?
One of the main ingredients for yourself, of course, is a glass
Austrian
of
wine?
Grüner Veltliner.
Grüner Veltliner, yeah. Okay, let's get into it. Okay, so what are we doing, Katrina? Tell us.
So here in this pan, we're sauteing the onions and the fresh parsley, just a little bit in oil. In this one we have the potatoes for the potato mash, just cooking away. And in this little pot, I forgot to mention earlier, we have some beef broth, just heating up, which we need for the sauce. And then also I've preheated the oven to 180 degrees for the actual Faschierter Braten. The next step you need to do, or we need to do, is put the knödelbrot, which I soaked in milk for a little bit so they get a little bit softer. Put all of that into the mince bowl, just like this. Crack an egg on top. Oops. Put in the marjoram, just a little bit. A little bit of salt and some black pepper. And then we get the onion and parsley from the pan. Put your hands in that and mix it all together.
So Katrina, what happened here?
We mixed it all together and formed it into this beautiful looking loaf.
Mm-hmm.
So now it's ready to put it into the oven form. It works best in this beautiful Austrian casserole dish.
All right, so this is the broth, is it?
It is the beef broth. Before we put that beautiful looking loaf into the oven, we put just a little bit of this broth on top and around it.
So what do we have there? The mash.
That's the mash. We've peeled the potatoes, mashed them all up, put milk, butter, salt, pepper, nutmeg in it, and there it is. If you want it a bit creamy, I just add some more milk and butter, but we're happy as it is. It smells like it's ready. Let's have a look.
I love the story about your grandma giving you the recipe and good tips. I think she would be so proud of you. What does it look like?
It's looking good.
It is looking so good. I think this is actually pretty easy. Maybe even people like me could do it.